Just had another delivery in, bikes from the USA. I'll go through a few of them. Here's two BSA B44s. It's a nice little trial bike. That one's a roadster. This is a Triumph Bonneville T140. Thank you, sir.
1901, no, 1301.
Harley Davidson Ironhead with a title. Looks like a runner. Got a Harley Davidson shovel head. That's tidy. I'm not sure what Harley Davidson that one is. Got another Harley Ironhead, quirky looking bike. That'll run. This is a Harley Davidson Sprint. They're getting rarer. I've had that one a few weeks, Triumph T100 project. Here's another Harley Davidson Ironhead project. I don't know as we'll get that one running. Looks like it needs a fair bit of wiring. So that's a project for someone. Got a Harley Davidson Sportster. There's a couple of bikes here. Ironhead project. Another Sportster 883, I think. It's another Harley Sportster Evo. That's tidy, that is. That's a good looking bike. Another Harley Davidson Ironhead. That looks tidy enough. That'll be a runner. This is a early Harley Ironhead. Got a kickstart and starter motor. Another Ironhead. That's electric start. Victory. I bought this off a friend. It was his daily ride. I know it's a good bike and a runner. It's a Harley Ironhead bobber. That's quite nice looking. Got Springer front end. That'll finish off nicely or ride as it is. Got another shovel head come in. That looks tidy condition. Haven't seen these bikes before, so they're all new to me. I've only seen them in pictures a few months ago. Yeah, I've had this bike in a couple of weeks. It's tidy, shovel head. This is a Harley Juice 2005. It's another Harley shovel head. The Harley Ironhead project. Got a Triumph T100 project. BSA A65 project there. And a Triumph Trident project. That's what we've got delivered today and what we've got in stock. So if anybody's interested, keep an eye on eBay and I'll let you know how much they are and what I found with the bikes.